In today's video, I'll show you how to create a unique opening where receipt-like paper elements appear on the screen and reveal your video in a clean and engaging way. First, open your project in CapCut Mobile and make sure your video clip is placed at the beginning of the timeline so the effect works as an intro. Tap on the video clip to select it. From the bottom toolbar, tap on Animation to open the animation options. Next, switch to the In tab. This section controls how your video enters the screen. Scroll through the animation list until you find receipts, then tap on it to apply the effect. Once applied, receipt-style paper elements scroll or slide into view, revealing the video underneath with a structured and storytelling feel. Use the duration slider to control how fast the receipt motion happens. Shorter duration makes it quick and punchy. Longer duration slows it down for clearer readability. Preview the animation and adjust the timing so the motion feels smooth and intentional. And that's it. You've successfully added a receipt style reveal animation in CapCut Mobile. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more CapCut Mobile animation tutorials.